Alright, perfect. We are making a great progress. But before we start our second lecture in Power BI, I recommend you go back and watch the first lecture where we talked at the chord chart in in more details and in a very detailed way. In this lecture we are going to know the bar chart and how to use it in detailed way. The first thing I'm going to make is to go to the visualization pane and press on the stacked bar chart. Then I'm going to compare the product type with the revenue generated. I wanted to know which product generate which revenue. This what should be look like. We're going to make a lot of edit to make it look much more beautiful than that. So let's begin our journey. I will press format your visuals from the visualization pane, and for the y-axis let me reduce the font. I'm comfortable with maybe 8, and then I wanted to disable the title. I don't want the title for the y-axis, and for the x-axis let's minimize the values. The displayed units, oh look at this, 0.0 million to 0.2 millions. Is this a good indicator? Actually not. I don't need it. For the title I'm going to disable it. Let's go to the bars. The color, let's match our theme, and for the borders I like to add a border. I don't want to match it with the color. Let's make it something like this with 2 pixels of thickness. Transparency, actually I don't want it to be transparent, but I find the border for the bars itself is not that much effective. I'm going to turn it off. And for the data labels, yes, I want to add a data labels. The position, let's make it inside end, and for the title I don't need it. The value to be in bold, no, I don't like it to be in bold. The color, let's make it something like this. Actually, yes. And for the background, let's see if we can make. Look guys, I'm playing around to see the best thing that matches my own style and my own preferences. The general rule is to know how to use it and make it personalized and customized based on your own preferences. I don't like a background. Let's press general, properties. I want to actually I want a title. I want it to be a revenue generated by product type. Background color, let's make it something like this, and to center it, header icon, I don't want a header icon. Tooltip, I think that's it. I don't need much customizations more than that. The guidelines, no. The ribbons, I don't need a ribbon. Plot area background, layout, and yes, maybe I make the background something like this, and let's make a visual border. Let's color it. Let's make it rounded with 15 pixels. I want to add a shadow, the shadow color to be something, maybe something like this. I want it in the bottom. It looks beautiful. And then let's reduce the size of our chart to be more professional. And yeah, that was the bar chart and it looks perfect. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos related to business intelligence topics and courses.